I'm here to talk about the OpenPaaS project. So first of all, because that's the first time we meet, just to say that my name is Mickael. You can reach me on mbae@linagora.com by email and follow me at WebRTC, and I'm getting older every day, just like the others. Okay, why I'm here? I'm here to present the OpenPaaS project to the OW2 community, because we are in the process of integrating the OW2 software family as an incubator project. And I want to present you the project and hopefully get feedback from the community. So what is OpenPaaS? OpenPaaS is a project comprised in three main parts. The first one is a system for automatizing and just like the one before me to enable scalable deployments of software in the cloud and elastic deployments. We call it RoboConf. On top of that, we got open collaboration APIs. I think it's a central piece of the project. I will come back to it in a few slides. And on top of those APIs, there is a social network built using web technologies. So how is born the project? Its inception comes from a French research project called Investissement d'Avenir. And we partners with some academics and industrials to bring a first prototype. And now our aim is to transform this prototype in a real industrial product. In fact, Linagora is the business, the software business of Linagora is collaboration and communication software. We have OBM, we have LeanShare, we have LeanID and Lemon LDAP. And it's the next big step in communication software and collaboration. Okay, so when we started thinking about the project, we said, okay, so we are in 2014, and we start developing. So in 4 or 5 years, how will people work? So there are two main aspects. The functional aspect. I think everybody knows that there are more and more data in your everyday workload. There is more and more cross-cutting communication that came from the email. And we come back also to a more synchronous communication. First of all, because sometimes communication with email is hard, and a phone call is better to discuss. And the second thing is, of course, that the network capacity augments. Regarding the technical aspect, of course, we have to be cloud enabled. We have to be open, because we are not the first software to come in an organization, so we should be able to be plugged and to plug other applications. And we should be, of course, without boundaries. So that's why we chose the open source way. So here are the screenshot of the current version. We can, of course, create communities, post on communities. It's full real time with WebSockets. We got some kind of Skype or Google Hangout system using only WebRTC. It also works on the mobile phones, and we are integrating some funky things just like geolocation and all new things that people are used to with the mainstream social networks. So. In my opinion, the central part of the project is really the open API. The thing is to say, we want to provide developers a way to use those APIs to build, to plug third-party applications, business applications. And so it's social, so the data that you got comes bundled with metadata that has meaning to the mass amount of data, okay? And of course, the external application can also give back data also to the OpenPaaS system to improve more and more the global knowledge of the organization or company. So RoboConf is an elastic deployment and management solution. The idea is that it's a totally distributed system, so you get to install an agent on each virtual machine. You teach RoboConf how to pilot your application. Okay, so you give your application graph and what is scalable and what are the runtime dependencies. And RoboConf knows how to pilot the IaaS. RoboConf is also a full REST system, so it can be plugged easily. Okay, speaking about RoboConf, just want to say that we have tomorrow at Linagora RoboConf Day. That's open, so if you want to know more, you can go to linagora.com, register, and you will be really welcome. Speaking about technologies, we use the new kid on the blocks. So we use Node.js, we use MongoDB, Elasticsearch, Redis, so all new technologies, all scalable technologies. Node.js mainly because it's really well adapted for the kind of things we want to process. That's mainly our information streams. And on the front-end side, we use a full JavaScript application built from AngularJS and using Twitter Bootstrap. And we also had POC of applications of what we call hybrid applications built using Apache Cordova and a framework on top of it that is called Ionic. As I said before, we want it to be really open source, so we only use open standards to be able to plug to everyone. So for example, the WebSocket, the CalDAV protocol, the WebRTC protocol, of course. And we are on GitHub under Linagora, there's a Linagora user account and the RoboConf user account. To sum up, I hope you are interested, and if you want to get in touch and to discuss furthermore, you can go to the website, you can follow us on Twitter, you can go to our GitHub accounts, and you can talk to me on the free beer party. Thanks.